Hi friends, this is Sri Nitya's house. So let me see what they are doing inside. Nitya? Nitya?
Hello ma'am, hi.
Hi.
Welcome to my house.
So you said that you want to talk about yourself. That's why I came here.
This is our living room.
Oh, nice, nice.
She
Yeah.
is my sister.
Oh, she's your sister?
Sashi.
Sai Sri. Okay.
She is my friend Radhika.
Radhika.
She
Okay.
is my friend Monica.
Monica. Okay.
She is my friend Bhavya.
Bhavya. Okay.
My sister like playing.
She likes playing. Okay.
Radhika like drawing.
Drawing.
She is always silent.
Silent. Okay.
Yes. She is always talking.
Talking? She's
Like-
always talking? Okay, okay. Yeah.
This is my TV. Our TV I like so much.
Okay, you like watching TV. What do you watch?
Programs, cartoon,
Okay, good.
TV. Come here.
Yeah, I'm coming.
This is showcase.
Your showcase? Okay.
This is animal, bird,
Okay.
currant birds, flower rose,
Okay.
Lakshmi Devi.
Okay.
This one flower was.
Beautiful.
This is our kitchen.
Okay, is this your kitchen?
As
Can I
well.
get a sneak peek into your kitchen? Ah, nice. Beautiful, right?
This is our bedroom.
Okay, good. I'll not go inside.
This is our dressing table.
Okay.
I might come again.
Uh-huh.
This is my photo.
Boxes?
This is comb.
Okay.
This is tilkam.
Mm-hmm.
This is kama. This is bookshelf.
Okay, aha, you have arranged your books very nicely. Good girl, yeah.
This is my doll. I like so much.
Oh. So nice. Thank you for telling about yourself. Bye, beta.
Bye.
I'll come next time. Okay? Bye.
Yes. Bye.
Please like, share and subscribe Snehita TV.